Alex, look! My coffee is empty. I have finished it, and you have just arrived. What do you think we're learning today?
Oh, wow, you drank your coffee fast. I just came here. I think today's lesson is going to be interesting.
Yes, it is. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Speak English Smarter channel. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. Today we are learning something very useful. We are learning how to talk about things that happened before now.
Yes, today we will learn present perfect tense. We will learn what it is, when we use it, and how to use it in easy steps.
I have heard this name before, but it feels difficult.
That is okay. Many people feel the same. Do not worry, we will learn slowly together.
Good. I feel ready now.
Nice. Let me ask you something. Have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes, I have eaten sushi one time.
Great. You already used present perfect. Very good.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, many people use grammar correctly without thinking. Now, let us understand it slowly.
Okay, I'm listening.
Present perfect talks about something in the past, but it is also important now.
Can you give me an easy example?
Yes. Listen, I have eaten breakfast.
That sounds easy.
Good. This means breakfast is finished, but we do not say the time.
Oh, if I say I ate breakfast at 8 o'clock, is that different?
Yes, that is different. That is past simple because you say the time.
Oh, I understand. Present perfect does not tell the time.
Yes, very good. You are learning fast.
Thank you. I feel happy.
Now, let us learn how to make this tense. It is very easy. We use have or has plus verb.
What do you mean by verb?
Verb means action word, like eat, play, watch, visit.
Oh, okay.
For example, I have watched a movie. We have played football. They have visited the park.
That looks simple.
Yes. Now we use has with he, she, and it.
Can you give examples?
Sure. She has finished her homework. He has eaten lunch. It has started raining.
And we use have with I, you, we, and they.
Yes, that is correct.
I think I can remember that.
Good job. You are doing great.
This lesson feels fun. I thought grammar was boring.
Grammar can be fun when we talk together.
That is true.
Now, let us practice. I will give you words. You make a sentence.
Okay, I am ready.
Subject is I. Verb is play.
I have played football.
Perfect. Now the subject is she. Verb is clean.
She has cleaned her room.
Excellent. Very good, Alex.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Now let us talk about when we use present perfect. We use it to talk about life experience.
What is life experience?
It means things you did in your life. For example, I have traveled to another country. I have met a famous person. I have tried new food.
Oh, so I can say, I have ridden a horse.
Yes, that is a great sentence.
I rode a horse when I was young. It was scary but fun.
That sounds exciting. I have never ridden a horse.
Really? You should try it one day.
Maybe I will. Now, we also use present perfect with since and for.
What do those words mean?
Since tells the start time. For tells how long.
Can you give examples?
Yes, I have lived here since 2021. This means I started living here in 2021 and I still live here.
Oh, I understand.
Now with for. I have studied English for 2 years.
So for tells the time length.
Yes, exactly.
Let me try. I have played guitar for 5 years.
That is a wonderful sentence. Do you really play guitar?
Yes, but not very well. Sometimes my friends laugh.
That is okay. Learning takes time. I tried guitar, but I stopped quickly.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now let us learn another use. We use present perfect for things that just happened.
Just happened means very recently?
Yes, very recently. We often use the word just.
Can you give examples?
Sure. I have just finished my homework. She has just called me. We have just arrived.
Oh, I use the word just a lot. This is helpful.
Yes, it is very useful in daily English.
I like this tense more now.
That is great. Now let us learn negative sentences. Negative means saying no.
How do we make negative sentences?
Very easy. Just add not.
That sounds simple.
For example, I have not seen that movie. He has not finished his work. They have not eaten dinner.
Let me try. I have not visited Japan.
Very good. That is correct.
I want to visit Japan one day.
Me too. I have seen many beautiful pictures of Japan.
Yes, the food looks amazing.
Now, let us learn how to ask questions with present perfect.
Yes, I want to learn that.
To ask questions, we move have or has to the front.
Can you give examples?
Yes. Have you finished your homework? Has she visited Paris? Have they eaten lunch?
That sounds easy.
Let us practice together. Ask me a question.
Okay. Have you watched this movie?
Yes, I have watched it. It was very funny.
Good. I will watch it later.
Now let us do a small conversation.
Okay, sounds fun.
Have you ever eaten Italian food?
Yes, I have eaten pizza and pasta. They are very tasty.
I love pizza too. Have you ever cooked Italian food?
No, I have not cooked Italian food. I am not good at cooking.
That is okay. I have burned food many times.
Really? That is funny.
Yes, I once burned rice. It was very bad.
I think everyone makes cooking mistakes.
Yes, cooking and learning English are the same. We practice and slowly get better.
That is true. I like that idea.
Now, let us review today's lesson.
Yes, review helps me remember.
Present perfect talks about something before now.
We use have or has plus verb.
Yes, we use it for life experience, recent actions, and actions that started in the past and continue now.
I understand it much better now. Before, it felt confusing.
I am very happy to hear that.
I think our viewers understand better too.
I hope so. Remember, practice is very important. Try using present perfect when you talk with friends.
Yes, you can say, I have learned new English today.
That is a great idea.
I have enjoyed this lesson very much.
I have enjoyed teaching with you too, Alex.
Thank you for helping me learn.
You are welcome. And thank you everyone for watching Speak English Smarter.
If you liked this lesson, please support us.
Please like this video, write a comment, and subscribe to our channel.
We have many more easy English lessons for you.
We are excited to see you in the next video.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English.
See you next time, friends.